Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name in War Machine's Tank Battle game. To change your name in War Machines, open up the application on your device first and from the home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Now click on Profile. You will see your profile picture and your profile name on the left hand side. Tap the pencil icon right next to your name, and then you can select your country's flag and then change your name on this page. Simply go ahead and tap on your current name, erase the current name, and then write down a new username for yourself. After you are done, click on OK. Confirm that you'd like to change your name and make sure you make a wise choice here, since next time you try to change your name, you will need to pay. To confirm, tap on OK, and there you have successfully changed your username. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.